Hi student, welcome to biology class 8. Myself Reni Agustin, a biology teacher, Montessori group of schools, Telangana. Dear children, today we are going to discuss first lesson. The topic is what is science? From first class onwards, you are learning science in various form like EVS, general science. Now in 8th class, 8th onwards, you will study biology and physical science. So from last 7 years, you are learning science. Now if I ask a question, what is science? Most of you will say the answer like it is a academical subject in our syllabus. But actually we have to learn the real and deep meaning of science. That is the aim of learning this lesson. So let us move into the topic. Our topic is what is science? Now, science is come from a word called scientia. Means knowledge. So that now let us learn the definition of science. Scientia mean knowledge. The definition is the organized study of knowledge. Organized study of knowledge is called science. So, what is the meaning of organized study of knowledge? Let us discuss that one. In a story, Alice in Wonderland, you hear that the little girl entered into the garden and all the flowers and animals in the garden began to talk with her. That is the story. But in real, we know that flowers and animals cannot talk like human being. But in the story, both this girl and the flowers and the animals are communicating each other easily. That is not possible. That is the difference between science and imagination. In the story, the writer imagined whatever he imagined, he will express in the form of story. He no need to prove that flowers are talking because it is his imagination. But science is entirely different from imagination. Each and every fact a scientist put forward, he have to prove it. That is called science. That means science is not merely a imagination, it is a organized knowledge of fact. Or we can say science is the study of fact. in the environment or in our surrounding, many things are going on. We have to know what is the fact in all these activity, that is called science. So, in science we are getting true fact with proof, that is known as science. Now, I understood that you got the idea what is the meaning of science. Science is not a mere academic subject, it is the organized study of knowledge, or science is the study of fact. The truth, we are universal truth. So many reactions, so many happening is happening around the world, that the truth of this happening we are learning in science. So, science means the study of truth. We can say science is the study of truth. Now, let us learn what is the first step of learning science. The first step of learning science is questioning. This is the important step. Questioning is the first step of learning science. Many questions we have to ask. Suppose a thing is happened. Suppose if you are throwing a chalk piece upward, the chalk piece is coming down and you have to ask different type of question. Why it is happen like this? Why the chalk piece is not going up? Always why this material thrown up all falling down? So, such a question, another question, so many questions, examples of questions it is given in your textbook also. So, one of the question is like this: why the ant is moving towards a tin that containing sugar or sweets? Many tins are there, but the ants are lining up to a particular tin that is filled with sugar or sweet. So, such a questions we have to ask. That questioning is the first and fundamental steps of learning science. Now, some examples of scientists I am going to say. There are two type of scientists. First categories are observational scientist. Second categories are experimental scientists. So, these are the two categories of scientists. Observational scientists, examples: a ecologist, a geologist, a astrophysics, like that, so many scientists, astrophysicists. Experimental scientists are a chemist, a doctor. So, these two we can give example for experimental scientists. What is the difference between this group of scientists? Let us see. First category, observational scientists. These scientists are bringing the truth of the universe by keen observation, very careful observation. For example, a ecologist have to observe very carefully around his surroundings or his area of study, very careful to understand the movement, the behavior and the food habit and reproductive process, everything of a organism in a given environment. So, just mere observation only. The scientist is observing very keenly. For example, suppose the scientist is learning the behavior of a tiger, he have to observe from the tiger cubs how it is adapted to his new environment in case of food, protection, everything. So, just one technique he is using, keen observation. Whereas, the experimental scientists are doing steps of experiment in the lab and finding the truth. Both group of scientists, the aim is to find out the truth, but the method is different. First category is this observation, keen observation. Second one is set of experiment. But both these category of scientists have to follow one basic step, that is questioning. After questioning only, they have to plan their observation or experiment. So, from this we can understand that questioning is the basic and very important step of learning science. Now, let us move to ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿರ್ತಿಗೆ So, student, I hope that you understand what is the meaning of science, what is the definition of science, what type of science, how many groups of scientists are there, and these are the topics today. So, based on these three headings, I will give a small homework to you. Please note the question. The first question is, what is the meaning and definition of science? What is the meaning and definition of science? Second question, name some important scientists. Name some important scientists and their field. You can get this answer from net also. Internet or in your textbook it is given. Third question, what is the important and basic step of learning science? What is the important and basic step of learning science? So, these are the homework. This first video is completed. Let us move to the second video.